What do you get when you combine one of Barrie's most highly desirable family-friendly neighborhoods?
With a completely renovated family home.
And we mean completely renovated.
With a one-of-a-kind 80 by 259 foot deep lot, well, you get our newest listing. All that and more on today's episode.
So today, Adam, we're back in Old Sunnidale, and I think we can both admit we are a little bit biased about this neighborhood, having both lived in the area. One of the things that I love most about this area is the size of the lots. You really get large-sized lots with mature trees. You've got great proximity to Sunnidale Park and Kersey Park, not to mention your daily amenities are minutes away, and there's easy access to the 400.
That's right, Jules. The neighborhood feel that Sunnidale presents is really hard to be duplicated anywhere else in the city, and that's why it's such a highly sought after destination. And you nailed it exactly. We have an outstanding location here with an absolutely incredible lot size, but then you pair that with probably one of the nicest renovations we've seen in a long time. And I don't just mean a renovation. We have updated kitchens, baths, trim, doors, everything you can think of here, but it's completely turnkey. The mechanics have been taken care of. You have new windows and doors, new heating and cooling, updated roof as well. And once you get inside, you'll see what we're talking about here. It's a truly cohesive feel, tons of custom millwork and custom built-ins. Really, nothing has been overlooked here. We cannot wait to get inside and show you our newest listing.
We are so excited to get inside and show you 23 Letitia Street. Let's head in. While no detail has been spared in the updating of this space, what I love the most is the functionality of the layout and the design of this main floor. You have a beautiful updated kitchen, a formal dining room, an amazing light-filled family room, but some of the really key ingredients of this main floor are a home office, a giant laundry room, and a mudroom.
Couldn't agree more with what Julie stated earlier. No detail has been spared, and the quality of the renovation in this home is evident from the moment you walk through the door. I'm not just talking about things like new kitchens, new cabinetry, new bathrooms, new flooring, new paint, new trim. We do have all of these things evident as well, but it's the small details that really tie these spaces together. I'm talking about the custom millwork, like you can see above me here, shiplap on the ceiling and exposed beams. We have custom built-ins all over the place, including cabinetry in the mudroom and laundry room. Not to mention, this entire space is flooded with natural light through oversized windows that are also updated and new, and it all leads out into an absolutely stunning, picturesque backyard. It truly doesn't get much better than this.
We typically don't feature mudrooms in our videos, but when it's done this well and has this sheer size, it's really something to get excited about. Whether it's your four-legged friends coming in after a walk or your kids with their boots and their shoes and their hockey equipment, you've got so much space here. But the great thing about it is it's not a laundry room mudroom combination. It flows seamlessly into your giant size laundry. Come follow me.
So here we are now on the second level of this incredible home, and the fit and finish up here is exactly what you would expect from seeing the main floor. It's a cohesive design throughout, and it features 4 bedrooms, including this oversized primary that we're in right now, each of which has been updated with some fantastic custom millwork, and again, a cohesive design and feel. Not to mention on this floor, you pick up 2 updated bathrooms, including an incredible primary ensuite here, and again, beautiful views through these oversized windows out over your backyard.
The lower level of this property remains untouched and is just awaiting your customization. But with a walkout to the backyard, the opportunities are endless. Whether it's a spot for the in-laws or additional rec space, there's plenty of space to enjoy. If outdoor entertaining is what you're looking for, to say this property has it is almost an understatement. Whether you're looking to entertain on your raised deck that flows seamlessly off of your backyard, or you're looking for a little more space, we've got that for you too. Let's take a look at the rest of the yard.
So Jules, we all love a updated and renovated home, and this is truly one of the best renovations and most thoughtful layouts that I've ever seen. But the true magic of Sunnidale, and I think what everyone knows and loves, is these incredible lot sizes. This one cannot be understated here, 80 by almost 260 foot deep. As you can see in behind us here, and as Julie mentioned earlier, there are many different entertaining spaces here, whether you want to dine on the deck right off your living room, or you want to come down into this sunken flagstone fire pit here and enjoy an evening fire. It's absolutely perfect for that. Yet you still have, another 150 feet in behind us here to enjoy. If you want to install a pool or a sport court or just tire the kids and the dogs out, this is certainly the spot to do it. And it's all encased in these absolutely incredible mature trees, which just provide an unreal feeling and a neighborhood feel like you don't get anywhere else in Barrie.
That's right, Adam. And if this yard isn't big enough for you, well, 2 minutes away, we've got Sunnidale Park. Let's go. So here we are, Adam, less than a minute's walk from the property in one of Barrie's finest resources, Sunnidale Park. Sunnidale Park has miles of walking trails, an off-leash dog park, not to mention one of Barrie's first all-accessible playgrounds.
That's right, Julie, and arguably the best downhill toboggan hill in all of Barrie. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We certainly know Sunnidale, and for more information on this incredible listing, check out our website.